This is their signature lemon tea. Very citrus. It has very slight tea taste, but I like it. Okay, let's try this caramel brioche. Oh, so good. It's very soft, but the texture is really good. They have some walnuts. Toasted walnuts, so good. The walnut is so fragrant. Anyway, this place is very easy to come. It's like just beside the BTS station, Tongnon station. I think it's like less than 5 stops or 6 stops away from Siam station. It pairs quite well though. It is sweet and this is citrus, very refreshing. If it's a hot weather, I think you will love it. And I think they give quite generous amount of walnut given the size of the dessert. I think that there's like easily 5 to 8 walnuts around here.